Most audio program interfaces are fairly similar. There's usually a transport section where you find the play, stop, and record buttons. There are usually fast forward and rewind buttons, but I don't use them very much. The pause button is important because in order to record, you should hit record and pause to monitor your signal before starting to record. When you're monitoring your signal, you want to change your recording level so that you can get it as hot or as loud as possible without clipping. To change your recording level, you use the pointer in the area highlighted in blue. If your input is too loud and is clipping, you decrease the level. If your input is too soft and you're not able to hear yourself clearly over the noise floor, you should increase the recording level. To monitor your input, you push record and pause and then look at the area highlighted in blue. If you have a stereo signal, both left and right monitors will move, but most of you will only have a mono input. The meters move with changes in pressure and will turn bright red at the top if you clip. You can clip in the left, the right, or both channels. The clipping indicator stays on to show you that you have clipped. Push pause and record again to reset the clipping indicator. When you're ready to start recording, hit the play button and the pause indicator will automatically turn off. When you're recording, you should notice that the playhead will move from left to right and information will appear on your track. If you're not getting any signal, you'll need to check your input source. Right now it's set to use the built-in line, which is essentially the microphone port on my computer. If I wanted to change this to the built-in microphone, I press and hold the small diamond and then choose built-in microphone. Similarly, if you're not hearing sound where you expect, you can change the output. Currently it is set to the built-in output, but if I want to send audio to my wireless speakers, I can choose the Air Parrot as my output. Audio programs usually have rows of information called tracks. The waveform is recorded onto the track. Compressions are above the middle line, while rarefactions are below. Time runs from left to right and is measured with a horizontal ruler in minutes, seconds, or even samples. Amplitude or volume is measured vertically and always goes from -1 to 1. The first track is getting softer, while the second track is getting louder. You can change the scale of your viewing to see the whole piece or zoom in on individual moments. The magnifying glass with a plus in it zooms in, while the minus sign zooms out. Now that you've familiarized yourself with the interface, let's try recording.